Hello everyone, let's make this pretty party bag right here. Stay tuned. Welcome to Ayaaba Creations. On this channel, we learn how to make simple beaded crafts. Don't forget to support us by subscribing, liking and sharing our videos. Let's begin. So we are using this beautiful beads right here. I personally love these beads because of the way it looks like cornflakes. Okay, so we are going to add 4 to our 0.8 mm fishing line. Then we are going to cross with the 4 beads to make our first ring of 4. Next, we are going to add one of the brown beads on each side and then add another one again and cross with that one. So we are going to add 3 beads in all, one on each side, and then we are going to cross with a 3rd bead to make another ring of 4 beads. So to complete this line, you are going to add all 3 brown beads on one side of the fishing line, and then you will cross with the 3rd bead. So to begin another row, we are going to add 3 brown beads and cross with the 3rd brown bead. Then we pass the beading thread through the next bead, add 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead. So now let's take the measurements of the entire length of the bag. So it's 13 inches as you can see. And then the entire width is 7 inches. So at this point you are just going to fold in to make the sides for the bag. So first we are going to add 2 brown beads on each side of the fishing line as you can see, and then add the 3rd bead and cross with that one. So to close the side, we are just going to add 1 bead again and then pass the beading thread through the bead close to the side as you can see, and then add another bead and cross with that same bead. So the rest of the steps is self-explanatory, so just watch the video and see how it's done, and you can also do the same thing with no difficulty.
Arab got the steez in you now.
So the measurements for the side is 3 inches. Let's make the bag's handle. So we are using 20mm pearl beads, and we are going to add 15 of these 20mm pearl beads to make the handle. So she gets something pretty like this in the end. Isn't this beautiful? Do subscribe to watch more videos from us.